ABC 7 meteorologist John Patrick's forecast is certified by the American Meteorological Society with the National Weather Association's seal of approval.
Let's talk about our showers and thunderstorms in southwest Florida right now. First up, and on Storm Warn 7's live Doppler radar, you can see most of the activity is actually north of the Caloosahatchee. And as we fly down in to Cape Coral on into Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte, that's where the heaviest rain is right now. The very northern tip of Cape Coral, right up Burnstower Road into Pirate Harbor, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, over the harbor and on into the Cape Hayes Peninsula. That's where we're seeing the heaviest rain right now. And this thunderstorm is moving off towards the west-northwest. And at 7:35, Placida, it'll be over you. In Rotunda at 7:39, 7:40 at Cape Hayes, and also Rotunda West as this continues to push off towards the Gulf of Mexico. After this activity gets by, looks like we're going to be done for the evening around most of southwest Florida. This is the view from Charlotte Regional Medical Center in Punta Gorda. We're at 74 right now with that rain just starting to end there at the medical center right on the Peace River. And we're looking at a fairly comfortable evening. That rain has certainly cooled you off, and where it hasn't rained, while we're seeing temperatures just a little bit warmer, like La Belle at 82 right now, 79 in Naples, 80 Sanibel, and Moorhaven still at 87 degrees. You'd like a little bit of rain there, cool you off. But looks like just about everything is starting to wind down as far as our afternoon and evening shower and thunderstorm pattern around southwest Florida. Let's talk about Irene. This is a major hurricane, a 120-mile-an-hour hurricane. It's a Category 3 right now, and it's expected to get stronger. The 5 o'clock advisory from the Hurricane Center has this moving off towards the northwest at about 12 miles per hour. We're already seeing wind gusts of 150 miles per hour. Had a very well-defined eye. It's closing up a little bit. That's typical for hurricanes, for that center of that eye to expand and then contract a little bit. That happens. That's very typical, and that's also a sign of a very strong hurricane. Tropical storm warning still up for the Turks and Caicos Islands as Irene pulls away, but all of the Bahamas under a hurricane warning as this is expected to become a Category 4 storm before it gets to Nassau and Freeport in the northwestern Bahamas. You can see 135-mile-an-hour winds by tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening, its closest pass to southwest Florida before hitting up the east coast of the United States. And everybody from Maine all the way down to the Carolinas watching this very, very closely because it could make a landfall in North Carolina and stay inland. It could stay offshore, but the most likely path takes it right near Long Island to the east of New York City and right up into Connecticut, Rhode Island, and even the Boston, Massachusetts area. So they're watching that very, very carefully. And here in southwest Florida, even though we're not in the cone and this storm is going to pass about 300 miles off to our east, we're still going to feel some of the effects of this as it passes by. Here's our future cast. We're going to start it at 7:16. There's the hurricane, those big, tall, heavy rain showers and those rain bands spiraling around that system. Tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock, we are dry here in southwest Florida. Watch what happens, though, as we go through the afternoon. We'll see some scattered showers. The better chance for rain will be over on the east coast of Florida. And then as the system pulls away Friday morning and Friday afternoon, our wind is going to start to turn onshore. And that means not necessarily Friday, but I think Saturday and Sunday, our better chances for rain will be in the morning. And as that system pulls away, it's also going to not only give us the onshore wind, but it's also going to bring in a lot of humidity. This weekend in southwest Florida is going to be very, very humid. Humid enough so that even in the afternoon on Saturday, might squeeze out 1 or 2 showers east of I-75. Forecast overnight calls for 77. Whatever evening storms are out there will die off, and then our sky will become mainly clear. Tomorrow, sun and clouds. It's going to be a breezy day with Irene passing about 300 miles off to our east out there in the Atlantic. Some scattered showers, 1 or 2 thunderstorms, your high temperature at 93 degrees. And then it gets a little bit muggy heading on into the weekend. Friday's also a breezy day, 92. Irene starts pulling away and our wind turns onshore. So Saturday and Sunday in urban southwest Florida, the best rain chances will be in the morning. 92 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday. Even on Monday, we'll start transitioning back to the easterly wind, but it'll take a day or so. So Monday's a very muggy day as well. And then we're back to sunshine in the morning. A couple of storms in the afternoon by Tuesday and Wednesday with high temperatures right around 93 to 94 degrees. There's your Storm Warn 7 forecast.
ABC 7 Chief Meteorologist John Patrick's forecast is certified by the American Meteorological Society with the National Weather Association's seal of approval.
Well, this evening it's very comfortable around the area. Upper 60s, low 70s in southwest Florida right now. Very, very nice under a mainly clear sky. Our hot spot, Naples at 71, at 68 Fort Myers, Punta Gorda, you're at 69 along with Sanibel, Marco Island at 70. 68 right now in Arcadia and 67 in LaBelle. So everybody is very, very nice. The humidity is not too bad, but it is going to go up over the next couple of days. Storm Warn 7's live Doppler radar is not tracking anything except the sea breeze. We can tell where the sea breeze is. It's right there. Just picking up a little bit of extra push in the atmosphere there with the wind coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, and that's why some of our coastal locations are a little bit cooler than some of the inland locations, that breeze coming in off the water. We have some clouds off to the north. That's where the clouds will stay overnight tonight and for tomorrow. We'll see a mostly to, at times, partly sunny sky, but a really nice evening tonight. 8 o'clock if you have any last-minute shopping to do, 70 degrees. At 11, it's 66, and at 6 in the morning, early, it's 62 degrees. And as an added bonus, we change seasons overnight. Winter arrives at 12:30 on Thursday morning. And what happens, why we have 12:30 as the arrival of winter, that's the exact time that the sun's rays are at a 90-degree angle with the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south latitude there in the southern hemisphere. That happens at exactly 12:30 our time, and that's when the winter season will start. Don't worry, it's not going to feel like winter, and certainly it isn't looking like winter on the radar. Up and down the East Coast, we have rain showers. The only place we have any frozen precipitation is in northern New England through Maine right now, and just a little tiny bit of New Hampshire and Vermont getting a little bit of wintry mix, some sleet and some freezing rain, but most of the storm system is rain. And high pressure, the big blue 8s there, is going to block that system from getting all the way into Florida. In fact, another one is going to run up the eastern seaboard Thursday night into Friday, again, mostly with rain, and again our area of high pressure blocks that from getting into southwest Florida. So we're going to remain partly sunny, mostly sunny in fact tomorrow, and much milder than normal. Our normal high this time of the year is 76. Tonight at 11, a mainly clear sky, and we keep that mainly clear sky through 6 in the morning. And then with the southeast to southerly breeze, we'll have a few clouds mix in, partly cloudy through the afternoon. And then we're going to have enough humidity overnight tomorrow to develop some patchy fog. But tonight it's mainly clear and pleasant, your low 62. For tomorrow, we're up to 84 degrees. Remember I said our normal high is 76, so that's almost 10 degrees above normal. 8 exactly if we get that warm tomorrow. Way above normal for this time of the year, and then we stay above normal on into the weekend. 83 degrees on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Christmas Day is going to be very warm, partly to mostly sunny. And then on Monday, 80 degrees. We have a cool front that will pass through Florida on Tuesday with a couple of showers. It just knocks our temperatures back down to where they should be, 76 by Wednesday. There's your Storm Warn 7 forecast.